Hello, this video is going to cover how to raise, manage, and clear tracking items within the Starfish Student Success Network. You access Starfish through Lobo apps, and you should see a tile like this in your app menu. Select Starfish to enter the system. Once you've logged into the system, you can click on the main navigation menu and select Students. You should now be on your My Students tab, which gives you a list of your active students. From your My Students tab, you'll be able to raise a tracking item on any student with whom you have a relationship, either through your roster or any roles that you have with students. You manage your list of students using the Connections drop-down menu. You'll drop down, identify, and select your group. If you are an instructor this semester, you will see your course sections listed here. Please make sure that the term is active. Tracking items within the system include flags, referrals, kudos, and to-dos. Not everyone has access to all these items, and your ability to access them is tied to your role. So do not worry if you don't see all of these listed when you enter into the system. Instructors and students have access to flags. All Starfish users can make referrals, send a kudo, or send a to-do reminder to students. Since the process for sending tracking items is the same, we'll show how to raise a flag, and you can follow the same process for kudos, referrals, and to-dos. Tracking items can be raised for individual students or for multiple students at one time by clicking the boxes next to their names, or for the whole roster by selecting the Select All box. In this example, we're going to raise a tracking item for missing or late assignments for multiple students. Select the box next to the names of the students that you have a similar concern for. This will help you efficiently raise the tracking items and be able to add applicable comments. You'll then select the flag button. A window pops up that lets you pick the type of flag you want to raise and add additional comments. You'll then select the flag button and scroll down to the item that you would like to raise. In this case, it's the missing or late assignment flag. Tracking items are listed alphabetically. You'll want to select the course content and enter in the comments to accompany the message template that will be sent by Starfish. As I am not an instructor, I do not have courses as options to select here. However, those of you who are teaching this semester will see each of your sections listed here, and you will select the appropriate one. If you have a due date for this action, you would go ahead and select that date. Otherwise, you would type in your comments here. A reminder that if you've selected multiple students, they will all receive the same flag and comments. So, if you want to tailor things for each student, you will need to select each separately and send individual flags. You'll then click Save to send your message. When you hit Save, the system will send your flag. Our system is set up so that flags are a communication between students and instructors. So the student will receive an email to their MPC email account asking them to talk to you. Flags, kudos, and to-dos go directly to students, and referrals are sent to both the student and an identified contact within the referral location, all using their MPC email addresses. And they are visible within the Starfish system to the student and to others with permission to see these tracking items. So again, once you finish filling out your tracking item, you will go ahead and click Save, and that automatically sends the message to the appropriate party. the student, and in the case of a referral, to the referral location. In order to check on tracking items that you have raised, you'll want to switch to the Tracking Items tab on your screen. Make sure to check your Additional or Edit Filters button in the top corner. At this time, I do not have any filters set. However, you will see the variety of filtering options that are available. In some cases, you may want to set your filter so that it shows both active and resolved tracking items. Other filters can be set, and you can take the time to explore this function. For more information on any tracking items that you have raised, hover over the icon and select Details. This will show you any information you submitted, along with comments to show what has happened with the tracking item. If you would like to clear or resolve the item, you can hover over the tracking item and select Clear. Select a reason and add a comment as to why you are clearing the item. This closing reason will be visible to others who have access to view these tracking items. And these are the basics. If you have any questions about tracking items, please email us at starfishsupport@mpc.edu. Thank you.